This is a guide for employers on completing the employer assessment process. If a member of your organisation has applied to register through the employer assessment route, you will need to complete the employer assessment request online before they can register. Please note that only registered managers with a competence assessor role will be able to complete these requests. Outstanding employer assessment requests will appear under Applications for Endorsements and will have an endorsement type of Competence Assessor. If you wish to view the related application in full, click View Application. Inside the employer assessment record, there's a help link which provides clarification on the requirements and criteria for an applicant to use the employer assessment route. You will first need to familiarise yourself with the information on this help page. Please read through the listed areas which a care worker must understand to use the employer assessment route. If you are confident that the applicant has the appropriate understanding to register through the employer assessment route, click Confirm can apply. You can also include further information here if you wish. Finally, click to submit Complete the Employer Assessment Request.